guys, it's me, and today is Satisfying Sunday, so prepare to be satisfied. Ooh, they put a hot key through some styrofoam and nail, and it just sinks right through to the end. You know, this is a treatment that styrofoam deserves, to be melted. It's either that or it's gonna be in a million pieces. You'll be picking up little styrofoam balls for the next 6 months. You know these phone cases with a little booty? Oh, but now it's got a pimple. Is this like an attachment you can buy? Is she gonna squeeze it? Is she gonna squeeze it? Why are you caressing his butt acne like that? I wonder if you could squeeze it. Will it like pop? Oh, it just popped off. The whole thing. If only it was that easy. Free, everybody loves a blemish-free booty. Send this to an artist to make them happy. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, get that out of there. Yeah, put the orange one in. As it should be. Oh, they're removing the tape. Oh, that tape is coming off so clean. I mean, they really went over the edges. Sharpen it till it's perfect. And then fill in the green. That was very satisfying. Thank you. Oh, this is gonna be a satisfying paint pull. No way it's gonna come out in one shot. Oh, no jump scare. I feel like I couldn't enjoy it as much because I thought there was gonna be a jump scare at the end. Oh, but the way they pulled that out. One go. A clean bucket. It don't get any better than that. You saw the best one? Just downhill from here. Oh, I have never seen such a jiggly cheesecake. I've been dying to try one of these Japanese cheesecakes, and they made a matcha one. Oh Lord, I can't deal with this jiggle. The way it just eat me. Stop. I just might. Is it ice? Is it a snowball? No, it's squishy. That's illegal. A snowball can't legally be squishy. They're mixing it up. Where did the blue come from? How did we start with a snowball and now it's blue slime? I'm so confused by the texture of this. Oh, is it like sand? It's like sand slime. Oh, this one is red. I didn't know he was gonna get a color out of it. I would have guessed. I would have probably guessed wrong anyway. When I tell you I love these cooking videos so much, like everything you see here is not actual food. And I'm just like, it's like they're making dough. Donuts? No, boigles. And when I tell you I love boigles, even the cream cheese, it ain't real cream cheese. With the blueberries and then they pull it apart. It's made of slime and sand. It's not even edible. Not even the blueberries. How y'all gonna do me like this? When they scoop the cream cheese and it's stretchy, I wanna know how the slime holds its shape so well. Like they literally did a cooking video out of slime. Is that not insane? Or am I easily impressed? Oh, where did you get that? A big old crewmate. Is that a poppet? That is the biggest poppet I have ever seen. And it's a crewmate and it's rainbow. Nothing says 2021 child like this product right here. Oh, I like how it just came apart. We got a life-size Poppet for the adults. They got amusement parks now, like Poppet World. Okay, but I can't imagine walking up to this and not pressing in. You have to at least once. Oh, when I said it couldn't get better, I don't know, because this is pretty nice. I'm thrilled. There's so many bowls to remove. And they did it in one fell swoop. They came off clean with some tweezers. All right, that's impressive. Do you have a talent? Yes, this. Wow. Oh no, we have a traitor. The last one wanted to ruin it for the rest of them. She put Arby's in a balloon and just let them run free into the wild. Whoa, you see that? She just sacrificed the mother. Well, bam, you meant nothing to me. Release my Arby's. Free them. No remorse. This is the longest thing of slime I have ever seen in my life. It just keeps going. It keeps going. Where are you pouring this from? A slime bucket? Is it descending from the slime heaven? The way it came down, like, how many layers we got of this? It's like my expectation of fruit by the foot. Sadly, I'm always gonna be disappointed. He took some cucumbers and just, well, bam, we filming a knife commercial? That is sharp. Oh, and then bananas. Look how many bananas going through this. They're all just getting sliced just like that. Send this to your boyfriend when you're mad at him. The Glizzy Gutter 5000. That is a mighty fine piece of dough. You know, the kind of dough that you can just smack. Take a few hits. Oh, they're making a pizza. And I'm watching this when I'm hungry. That is some good fresh dough. Yo, that's not enough cheese. You gonna put more cheese on that? I like a light sauce and extra cheese on my pizza. Oh, it came out perfect. She's beautiful. She looks kind. Vegan teacher be like, you showed cheese. You didn't mention vegan cheese. X for you. They polished a coin into a mirror. I didn't even know this was possible. I thought pennies just came dirty, filthy. Oh, you told me they pop out of the factory's womb, looking like that. You see the difference? That penny didn't even look that dirty to begin with. Even the Q-tip could see his reflection in it. Hello. Mystery ball, pink or orange? Hurry up. White, pink, white. Yep, orange. Oh my god, I even saw it. My brain shut down for a hot second. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Blue or yellow? Yellow. All right, come on. What we got next? Green or purple? And let me hear that crunch. We're gonna go with green. Green. Yeah. I haven't even watched this video. I'm happy getting one right. How many did you get right? I saw this on TikTok. I never knew how similar waxing a surfboard is to making rolled ice cream. Like when she does it, it just skirt. Tell me that don't look like cookies and cream. It doesn't. Why? But it's so satisfying. The way it comes off, make a candle out of it. You're not allowed to die before you try this. I'll try. But do be looking delicious though. I would try it if I could. Oh, even as you're cutting it, it's jiggling for dear life. That is the sluttiest cake I've ever seen. I don't know what camera you recording this with, but it's better than my eyesight could ever be. Y'all recording in 8K? Do not tell me this is an iPhone. Don't even tell me it's a Samsung. I won't believe it. I thought they were peeling a layer of eyeball off of a real animal, but this is actually just a taxidermy. And I guess how they make the eyes so shiny. Pulled it off like pulling off the plastic off a brand new iPad. Ugh. I hope he can see now. He made a hole in the sand. Pour some water in it, right? Pour some more water, the whole bottle. That's the rest of our water. What are you doing? Oh, I made a bowl with a hole. That's pretty neato. Now put your cereal in it. Salty. That is one juicy marker. Ooh, dunking this pen into the ink. Or is it a brush? Because that's even more impressive. That was very nice. Oh, another one, but they're spelling Nike. They freehanded it so flawlessly. Where y'all getting these juicy markers from? I swear, one stroke of that writing utensil got more ink than a whole pack of my pens. Aloe vera factory. They just like a fillet. They just fillet the plant just like that. Slice it like a piece of meat and then make aloe vera gel. They're just 100% aloe vera. Just smoosh it. This is what laser engraving looks like. Kind of sounds like a robotic fart. Oh, we do the shading and everything too? That leather must be getting toasty in there. Like, who turned up the heat? Okay, we got some wet sponges being smooshed. Very nice. A golden apple on fire? Oh, you mean a candle? Yes, that's exactly what I meant. Oh, that smushed so nice, the wax just obliterated. A birthday cake with the candles? Happy birthday, hydraulic press. Time to blow out the candles. I blew them out on the whole entire cake. Ooh, I would have eaten that. Name something more powerful than a hydraulic press. I'll wait. The bread snatcher. Back at it again. This is how they cut bread. So you're telling me a claw just like snatches it and then there must be an easier way. Is this how all bread is sliced? Just go through the slicer like this? You know, some grocery stores actually have this in the store. We could just pop a loaf in, slice it yourself. I've been seeing this device all over TikTok where you put like part of your nail in it, pop it out. Oh wait, what's going on? Why? Take it off. No! That wasn't even a real finger. I can't complain. It still came out pretty clean at the end. Oh, please don't cut it. Please don't cut it. Oh, this could be a very nice video. There is no, it's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. Oh, yes. Keep going. You only have one more. You have one more line. Yes. I could watch that on repeat. Nice. Nothing like some good old bush shaving on a Sunday afternoon. I don't know what kind of tool that is, but the way it shaves it is just so nice. Trimmed. Looking extra thick under those leaves. A very good shape. Oh, I want to see the spoon disappear. This teaspoon gonna be a no more teaspoon and no spoon. It'll simply cease to exist. Where are the remains going? It's just like disappearing into the unknown. I feel bad when you guys have to hear my singing. Anything but satisfying. Come on, just give us one day of satisfying content. This is a professional cheesemonger. I did not know what that was until she took this block, which is covered in dry flowers. And I'm like, this is cheese? This is a cheese block. But wait, till she cuts it in half with a wire. Let's see the goods. Oh, that is some good cheese. Nice. And then they cut this into tiny, tiny pieces. I sell it to you for like $6. That is a lot of dried up wax. Oh, you can just like chip it off. Into the wax you go. It had some yellow in it, but it went into the white one. That one's going in the yellow. Put it in the yellow. Oh, even the middle. How are you gonna get that out? Oh, it just slid right out. Didn't even put up a fight. Pathetic. Wax. I love hard wax. If it didn't get stuck in between my nails and stuff, I would just be like, Snow? Snow cone? Oh, no, it's not. Of course it's not. It's slime. How does it look so much like a snow cone? But then I'm like, how are you holding a snow cone and just drizzling it in the palm of your hand? Ain't nobody hard enough to just handle a snow cone and just... Oh, you see the way that jiggle? Excuse me, can I get a little jiggle out of a bush? I like your cut, G. Bam, she got a fresh fade. She look good. Cleaning a frat house, and they are using a wet vacuum to clean the carpet that's probably never been cleaned before. I can smell this video. Ugh. Y'all could probably fill up a bottle with all the drinks that have been spilled on that carpet that is now coming out. That's gross. Boy, what are these? Lilac buns for the butterfly burger. Oh, so the color comes from fruit and veggies, and then they mix it up and it makes this beautiful color. I have never seen purple bread before. And then they put it in this machine that separates the dough and makes them into like perfect buns. And then red sesame seeds. You spoil me with this fantasy food. That's like the colorful Krabby Patties. What? What am I watching? I don't know, but it's nice. I feel like I'm in imminent danger. This says a lot about our society. When the ball steps on the trap door, it just slices it and then becomes another ball. Is this an NFT? How many million this sell for? I thought it was a marble at first. Like, you can't cut through those. I don't care how sharp it is. They cut like butter into this jelly ball. Perhaps it's an overgrown Orby, but the way it just sliced like a piece of summer sausage. Bouncy balls? No, not enough bounce. Are these kinetic sand balls? Haha, pink one. Haha, blue one that time. Pink one. Who can go down the slide the fastest? How many we go? Keep going till we fill this up. They are sand. And you could just smush them. I thought they were going down a fun slide. Haha, joke's on you guys. Y'all got pounded to oblivion. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face. And make sure you turn on notifications. Click, click, and subscribe to join the wolf pack. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.